You've heard Chevre a million times, but do you really know what it means? It's more than just cool. This little word changes depending on who says it and where they're from, and once you get it, your Spanish instantly sounds more natural. Hook time. If you only say good or cool, you're missing out. Chevre is like the secret sauce. Use it right and you'll fit into conversations from Caracas to Cartagena. So, what does it mean? At its heart, Chevre means cool, great, awesome. But it's also a word that checks the mood. It can approve a plan. Nos vemos a las 8, Chevre. It can praise, tu idea está chévere. And it can describe experiences. La fiesta estuvo chévere. Where you are matters. Venezuela, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, parts of Cuba, Colombia is super common too. In Mexico, people understand it, but they'll usually say chido or padre. In Spain, swap it for guay. Still, thanks to music and the internet, Chevre travels. Pro tip: make it stronger. Cheverissimo. Super Chevre. As a quick answer, it's short and sweet. Te mando el archivo, Chevre. And yes, how you say it changes everything. A friendly tone means it's real. A flatter, drawn-out sound, Chevre, can be playful or even sarcastic. Pay attention to the situation. Pop culture check, where you'll hear it a lot. In songs, salsa, reggaeton, pop, in movies and TV. Soap operas and Latin American shows, use it. Online talk, scroll through comments, memes, short positive replies like, Chevre. Mini phrase pack, repeat after me. Que Chevre. How cool, está Chevre. It's great. ¿Te parece? Chevre. Sound good? Cool. La pasamos chévere. We had a great time. Sería chévere si. It would be great if. Quick manners. It's casual. Use it with friends, people your age, or online. Informal emails or job interviews, use excellent, estupendo, or muy bien. Challenge for today: use Chevre 3 times. Comment on a video, text a friend, and react to a plan. Make your slang better. Make your Spanish better. If this was Chevre for you, hit like and stick around. I've got more tiny words with big power coming up.